All right, so today I'm going to save you a little bit of money. I got a special code here that you can plug in and you're going to save some money on power tools. And we've been doing this for the past few weeks. We've been doing deals for Home Depot, Lowe's, Acme Tools. And the codes that you plug in, well, they're going to knock some money off in the cart or in the shopping buggy, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to do the same thing today, and I do have a special code that's going to help you save money. That said, before I show you this, I do want to let you know that I have been getting notified by subscribers, viewers, and even paying channel members that YouTube has not been notifying them when a new video is being pushed out. Even though they have their push notifications on, they're subscribed, and again, paying members, they should be getting all of the videos. But for some reason, YouTube is not sending out notifications for my videos. And it's not just me, I've been hearing it from other creators as well that the same thing is happening. I don't know what's up. I know YouTube does this every once in a while where they want to push the views where they want to push the views. Doesn't matter the analytics, because I've been seeing some really weird things on my analytics. I can get all the thumbs up and all the comments, and for some reason they still just will not push these videos out. So I do want to let you know something is going on. That said, if you are subscribed, or you think you're subscribed, double check, make sure that you do have that bell notification turned on. Make sure they didn't unsubscribe you, because that has been happening as well. And that's all I'm gonna say about it. There's some funky stuff going on. I just wanna let you know about it. So if you're not getting notifications, it's not because I'm not putting videos out, it's because YouTube is doing their thing. So with that said, let's just get into the tool deals, and we're gonna start out with the router. All right, so the deals for today are gonna be for Metabo HPT, also known as Metabo. So I'm gonna move my face down here, and you can see that there's already a 30% saving on this router. This is a really good router. A lot of these tools I've used, I've tried, and they're very good tools when it comes to the Metabo HPT lineup. So you can see there's a code here that says HPT Flash. So just like the Red Flash from Milwaukee and all the other brands that we did, I'm gonna copy this. I'm just gonna click on this right here. And then I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna, well, let me move this. I'm gonna add this to my cart. So I'm gonna take this router, I'm gonna add it to my cart. So I'm already gonna get the 30% off. You can see that it says 119 right here. And by the way, everything is going to be attached to the shopping bag of this video. So I'm gonna view cart, and then you can see it's 119. So now I'm gonna come over and I'm gonna paste in what we copied, the HPT Flash. I'm gonna hit apply. So then it brings us down to 104, and then with the taxes is 110. And then the shipping on this is gonna be $649. If you pay anything above $199, you're gonna get free shipping, but you're still saving a lot of money on that price reduction and with the HPT Flash. So how this works here is basically buy more, save more. Just like so many of the other deals we found this year, is purchase $99 plus of select HPT items and save $15. Save $30 with the $199 purchase, and you're gonna save $45 with a $299 plus purchase. So let me show you again this HPT, the Universal Miter Saw stand. You're gonna add it to cart because it's $199. You're gonna get a view cart. You're gonna save a little bit more money on this. The shipping is now free, and you're gonna type in the code like we did and apply that, and now it's $175. So they took the $30 off of that. And this is the flash sale, the Metabo HPT 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw. It's down to $119 with 30% off, but you're also gonna save the $15 off with the flash code. So that's a really legit buy for this saw. All right, here's what I wanna show you. Now these duplex nails, you're gonna get a 2,000 pack. Usually if you buy another brand, that's what they run, around $100 freaking dollars. So $100, $110, this is 64% off. It's down to $35.99, but I don't think that the code is actually going to work because it's already so low. I just wanted to point these out. That's a really legit deal for those nails, the 2,000 pack. And these are also a pretty legit freaking deal. So $299, you're going to get the saw. You're going to get, this is the rear handle saw. This is a very powerful 36 volt, 7¼ inch rear handle saw. You're going to get the saw, you're going to get the blade, you're going to get the back ray, that's the 36 volt, and you're going to get the rapid charger. So it's $299, down 23% off. But if I put that code in here and I add this in my cart, let me see what it does. So I put it in my cart, I added the code, the HPT Flash, and then it applied, and it brought it down to $254 for the entire freaking kit. So that's a pretty real nice like deal. However, if you only want the tool only, you can save even more money. You can see here, this is the tool only, the bare tool, the saw. It's $219, but because you get some money off, let's supply the HPT flash. You can see that's my total at $219. We're gonna hit paste, we're gonna hit apply, and it's gonna bring us down to $195. And again, you get the shipping at $649 because it doesn't hit that $199. And here's a deal that's pretty real nice like, and you're gonna save the $45 off on top of the 52% off. This is the Metabo HPT Pro Bundle, and this is going to be the coil roof nailer with the bonus impact driver kit. So you're gonna get that ray, you're gonna get the charger, the impact driver, and the nailer, plus you're gonna get not only that 52% off, you're gonna get the $45 off with that code, and you're also gonna get free shipping with that. But I do wanna show you there is another code for the Metabo. It's not the HPT stuff, but if I were to, I don't know, grab this for $199, this grinder, $30. I was gonna tell you what I'm gonna say, but it's called Metabo Flash. So you would do the exact same thing that you did for the HPT stuff. You just copy and paste it into the cart, and then it's gonna discount that money off. So there you go, a couple more codes that'll help you save some money if you are in the Metabo or the Metabo HPT brand. It could save you a couple dollars. So let me know what you think in the comment section below, and check out this deal video right here. I'll be back with more videos soon.